Looking for an easy way to move your data to Jira Service Management? Help desk migration is what you need. It's an online tool that allows for quick and code-free data migrations. It's easy enough that anyone can become their own data expert and build a migration in a few simple steps. Here's what the process looks like. First, provide the necessary details to connect your Salesforce and Jira Service Management to our wizard. Then select the data you would like to transfer and map ticket and knowledge base fields. Once the basic setup is done, run the test migration to check if everything works correctly. When you're ready, hit that final button and get all your data moving. Just like that, you can export such Salesforce data as cases along with public notes, attachments and custom fields, contacts, accounts, users, solutions, second-level categories, top-level categories, ready to switch. Click the Get It Now button and see that app-to-app import can be easy.